What's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So today, I revisit a location that was featured in a couple different videos way back in the early days of this channel. And that's a big old cross in the desert overlooking a small town. But before I get too far into it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. Grab your cameras and let's do this thing. So I have a strong dislike / hate relationship with this cross. Reason being is when I decided to go full-time with photography, I hit this place week after week, always trying to get that shot that makes people get goosebumps. Now, I'm not a religious guy, not by any means, but something about a giant cross in the desert excites me because so many other people are religious. And taking photos of something that so many others hold near and dear drives me to take the very best photo possible. Well, out of all the times that I've taken photos of this cross, I've never actually gotten that one shot that makes me feel that accomplishment. And now that I have an even bigger reason to get that shot, I went back to try to get it. The thing about this cross and location is this though. Getting a cool shot is only part of it, because there isn't just one shot. Imagine this thing when it's snowing. Maybe the sun peeking through the clouds, highlighting the snow as it falls, or getting a shot on a really moody and cloudy day. There are so many ways to shoot this cross that it's impossible to just show up once and get it. It's one of those locations and subjects that you just have to wait. And you have to go out when the conditions are perfect for the particular shot that you want. But there I was on this day, seeing what shots I actually wanted. Not just taking photos, but also planning for future photos. What angles would I want for a particular shot? I think I spent most of the time flying the drone and taking notes on what I wanted to do later. I think I really picked the wrong weather to come up here and shoot. This requires like more mood. So I think I might head over to that little hill over there and do some focus stacking. I did it once before and it turned out pretty good, so I might go over there and do it again. Problem is I don't have a tripod, so I'd have to do it handheld, which could be interesting, but maybe I'll do that. Let's see. I used both my Canon EOS-R and my DJI Mini 4 Pro for the shots. Again, because I'm still doing a comparison putting drone photos against mirrorless photos for landscapes. Although they may not be what I'm looking for right now, I'm able to use them for reference for a shoot that I could do later this year. Maybe in the rain or during a snowstorm. Maybe a cloudy winter night in snow while the cross is all lit up, who knows? So how would you shoot this cross? Let me know down in the comments. Because maybe you're seeing something that I'm not seeing. And I'm always open to learning from you guys, because feedback is what's important for anyone trying to better their skills. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and to click the bell for future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com for photo prints, drone photos, and my newly released Lightroom preset pack that features 13 presets that I personally use every day. It's only $10 and it helps me out to keep the channel growing. So until next time, get out there and shoot, and I'll see you in the next video.